Yo, what's up guys? So MG35 here, back with another video. This one is a really quick one. I just want to basically black out the kidney grills from a BMW. So here's what it looks like before. I'm gonna do a little video. So that's before. I'm gonna show you after when I'm done. In the future, I probably want to black out the wheels and the trim, but I don't want to modify it too much. I want to maybe put a lip and some side splitters and that's it, because I really need to modify this one. I need same thing. I need my splitter. I need some aero, maybe some different side skirts, carbon hood, carbon. I have a wing already, but all right. Let's get into it. I'll update you with what I want to do on that one in the next video. All right, here we go. All right, so all you need apparently, according to videos, you just need to remove those 4 screws. They are alien screws. So I got mine, and I'll remove all of those 4, and then I'll show you what's next. Now I took all the screws off, and you can see in here, so you can see the tab over there, this tab. So you're gonna have to push it down for the clip to be able to move, and then you're gonna pull the grill this way. So I cannot do it with one hand, so I'm gonna do it with both hands. From what I'm seeing, you just probably need a strong finger grip or just a flat screw. All right, so after fully checking again, there's also the ones on the side that you have to pull and to push, and some in the bottom. It's just not those 3 on the top, it's also some on the side. So don't pull like too crazy. When you see those 3 coming out and try to pull everything, you might break the clips. So just be careful with that. All right, so the grills are there. I'm gonna degrease them right now with some purple power. You can use any other degreaser, doesn't really matter. And then some rubbing alcohol to make sure it's clean and ready to spray. I usually go for Peaceeee and glossifier or clear coat on top, but I'm trying this out. We'll see how it goes. We'll see the finish. So yeah, I'm giving it a try. I'll let you know how I review this later and how it looks. I mean, you guys will see on the Beamer how it looks. By the way, Peaceeee and clear coat can work as long as you apply a lot of coats of Peaceeee and then you put the clear coat. It should still peel off, not in one sheet like usual, but it should peel off. So let's get into it. All right, so they're clean now. I didn't say earlier, but I put some warm water because the weather is kind of cold. I did sit for like a solid 5-10 minutes. Didn't really pay attention, but as long as you can, it's the best. So now I'm gonna start spraying. All right, so since this is different than Peaceeee, I won't be spraying it the same. Here it says 4 or more light coats and then 1 medium. So I'm gonna try to do exactly what they say. Well, I'm cheating a bit also in between dry coats, trying to use this dry. Perfect. Make sure everything is dry before you spray though. And make sure you shake that can really a lot before you start. Usually solid 30 seconds. Then you do a little test spray on the side. And I'm going to show you 1 coat, then I'm going to show you the finished product, because I'm going to do pretty much the same for all of them, except maybe for the last one where I go a little bit heavier. Let's see. Perfect, that sprays good. Nozzle is good. Sometimes it's clogged. So here's the first coat. Super light, just misting it. There. The top. Now I'm gonna get to the corners. In there. That's the first one. All right, guys, so it's done. I put about 4 very light coat, 1 medium. Actually 2 mediums. I just put a little bit on top, like not as heavy as the first medium, but that's pretty much. There's a little bit of fisheye. It's like, unfortunately, you know, it's not paint, so it's never gonna be perfect. But from here, looks pretty good, and right now it's drying. Well, that's pretty much how it's looking. I mean, it's a grill, it's free. The paint stuff was like 10 bucks. I'm not gonna pay 40 bucks for like some stupid grill. It's just my daily, so yeah, next time you'll see it, it will be on the car. All right, so here's the car. As you can see, it's pretty good, huh? Looks nice. Looks nice, much better. Once this is black and this is black too, the little lip, black these markers, it's gonna look great. All right, there you go, guys. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Peace.